Hey guys, I wanted to quickly run over this daily brainy from Friday because I think a lot of some of our problems on our tests are not that you don't know the information. It's just that you need to get a little bit better with looking at questions and answering questions. Okay, so we're gonna look at this one because it was a little wordier than what we normally see for our daily brainies, but it's because I want us to get a little bit more practice with reading test type of questions. Okay. So this one says that the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV, infects and destroys CD4 T cells. Now, I know you don't know what CD4 T cells, right? But then it goes on to tell you what they are. These CD4 T cells are one of many kinds of white blood cells that are an important part of the immune system. Now, this is your clue here. It's part of the immune system, and you got to think to yourself, okay, what does my immune system do? Your immune system fights off diseases, right? If you get a cold, your immune system is working in overdrive, right? You get a virus, that's what your immune system is, the one that is fighting that virus, okay? So if the HIV attacks these CD4 T cells, then they're not working like they're supposed to. So your immune system is not working like it's supposed to. So if you look at these options, it says to find the most common danger related to the destruction of these T cells. The first option was an increase in the risk of blood pressure. Okay, well, that's talking about blood pressure, and we know that we're looking for something that has to do with the immune system, so it has nothing to do with the high blood pressure. Okay, I'm going to skip this one right now because obviously you can see that that's the right answer, but I'm going to talk about these ones too. It says a decrease in the flow of blood to vital organs. Again, the immune system doesn't have anything to do with the flow of blood. Okay, that's your circulatory system. So that isn't going to be affected by your immune system not working well. Same thing with this one, a decrease in the amount of oxygen being transported to tissues. So again, your immune system isn't the one that's regulating amount of oxygen, okay? So really the only one of these options that had anything to do with the immune system was this one. It's an increase in the threat of diseases caused by microorganisms and viruses, meaning that if you are exposed to viruses and microorganisms and your immune system is not working right, you have a higher threat of disease. Okay, so when you look at these questions, don't be thrown off if you see a lot of words that you don't understand. Use the process of elimination and what you do know to try to find the right answer. Like, you didn't need to know this answer right off the top of your head, right? You didn't know immediately that the destruction of that causes this, but you can eliminate these other options based on the fact that you kind of know something about your own immune system and what it does. Okay, so keep practicing those, and we'll keep going over them to help you get better at answering these types of questions.